ratio, sharing the total. Here's an example of a question like you're likely to see in the Court Maths text exercise, and it says share £33 in the ratio of 4 to 7. So what's the first thing we do? We write down the original ratio. There we are, 4, 7. Work out the sum total. So the sum of 4 to 7, and that's our total of 11. And label each column. Well, in this example here, they don't have names for the two groups in the ratio, so we'll just call it group 1 and group 2. Next, insert the data given for the new actual or real ratio in the correct column. So put it in the correct column. Well, they've given us 33 and they're asking us to share it between these two groups. So 33 is the new total. So we're going to put it in the correct column here, £33. And we need to work out what's going to be in group 1 and what's going to be in group 2. When you add them together, it'll equal £33 because 33 is being shared between group 1 and group 2. So to do that, we need to calculate the multiplier. So how many 11s go into 33? And if you can't do that, you type into your calculator the new value, which is 33, divided by the original value, which is 11. 33 divided by 11 is 3. There are 3 11s in 33, so our multiplier is times 3. So to work out the other new totals in each column, you just multiply by 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 7 times 3, 21. To check, when you add them together, 12 add 21, it should equal 33. And it does. Mustn't forget our units of measurement. Lastly, reread the question to check which value is the answer. Share £33 in the ratio 4 to 7. So actually, it's all of it. So what will this look like in a common entrance paper question? Here we are. Question 4. Robert, Stefan and Tim are collecting conkers. Each day they share out the conkers they have collected in the ratio 5 to 3 to 4. Now the sharing the total question is actually part 2. The first thing I'm going to do is write out the ratio. 5 to 3 to 4. Then I'm going to write out the total of the original ratio. 5 add 3 is 8, add 4, 12. I then label, and it says Robert, Stefan and Tim, and it's in that order. So the 5 is Robert, Stefan is the 3, Tim is the 4, and it equals a total of 12. So whenever Robert gets 5, Stefan gets 3, Tim gets 4, and their total is 12. And it says they share them on Tuesday. Robert, Stefan and Tim share 60 conkers, and that is the total. That's the new total. So we write the new total in the correct column, equals a total of 60 conkers. Next thing we need to do is work out our multiplier. That's 60 divided by 12. And there are 5 12s in 60, so it's 5. It's a multiplier of 5. 12 times 5 is 60. Now I've got my multiplier. I multiply each column by this multiplier, and I'll get the correct ratios. And we have 5 times 5 is 25. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 5 is 20. And let's just check that the sum adds up to 60. 25 add 15 is 40, add 20 is 60. It is correct. So no need to be fooled by the fact that there's 3 of them. It works exactly the same. I go back to the question, how many of these conkers does Stefan use? Stefan receive, sorry. We're looking in the column of Stefan. And he's going to be using 15 in my new ratio. Mark scheme, it's worth 2 marks. You'll get 1 mark for working out the correct multiplier, and the other mark is for the